friends, today I'm going to be making Maguro Yukke. Maguro Yukke is a popular Japanese dish. It's a fusion of Korean and Japanese made of Sashimi Grade tuna. We almost always serve with raw fresh egg yolk and mix all together, and it's gonna make a creamy and rich sauce, and it tastes so good. Let's get started. When you purchase tuna at the supermarket, don't choose pre-sliced for sashimi. Choose the one in block and look at the color. If it is too vibrant, unnecessary additives might be added that we don't want. Choose the one that's natural in color and better frozen or partially frozen. And don't choose the fibrous part. It's an easy recipe with no cooking involved and ready in 10 minutes. Let's slice the scallion for garnishing. Cut off the root and slice into thin slices using a sharp knife. Tuna and scallions complement each other. The taste and aroma of the scallion makes the tuna even more flavorful. Next, cut tuna. Wash under the cold running water and pat dry. Slice into 1/4 inch slice against the grain. Again, use a very sharp knife for a clean cut. Use the length of the knife from the bottom to the top to cut through. And then rotate the sliced tuna 90 degrees angle and chop into small pieces. If it's still frozen, you can work it easily. And the point of the working on a raw fish is to do it quickly while it is still cold. And set it aside, and in a bowl, combine a pinch of salt and sugar and dash of garlic powder and soy sauce. I don't want to overwhelm the taste of the tuna with garlic, but I want a hint of garlic as an underlying flavor, so I add garlic powder for the mild garlic flavor. Add in the chopped tuna and mix gently and toss to coat evenly. And we are pretty much done. Place Shiso leaves on a shallow dish and transfer the Maguro Yukke and garnish with chopped scallions. And make a dent in the center and drop a raw egg yolk and sprinkle the toasted sesame seed. It looks so good. And you can make a rice ball. On the cooked rice, it should not be too hot, and it could be just white rice or sushi rice. Either can go well together. I prefer sushi rice, but it's all up to you. And topped with tuna and chopped scallions and sesame seed. As an appetizer, you can serve it with sake or white wine, whatever the beverages you want, and mix everything well, and it tastes so good. You can serve a rice bowl as a meal with pickles and miso soup. I love to add nori seaweed, breaking up into small pieces to make it even more delicious. It doesn't involve any cooking, and you can make it quick, and it is very satisfying. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and tap the bell icon not to miss any of my new videos. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And you can find anything on my Amazon store that I'm using in my videos. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!